Did you know? These gentle giants can live for over 100 years. Meet these adorable tortoises, slow walkers but big personalities. Right now, it's snack time, and leafy greens are definitely on the menu. Look how they gather around and munch away together. Fun fact, a tortoise's shell isn't just a home. It's actually part of their body, made of bone and covered in keratin, just like our nails. A perfect little shield as they move through life at their own pace. And maybe that's their secret. Slow down, stay steady, and enjoy the little things along the way.